The decision about your next promotion might not happen in a boardroom. It could be made by an algorithm that's already decided it doesn't like you. Around the world, companies are quietly handing over major management decisions to artificial intelligence, and its choices are not nearly as smart or logical as they claim. In this video, we'll pull back the curtain on the catastrophic errors these AI bosses are making and reveal the 3 human skills that will make you more valuable than any machine. Section 1. The problem. This isn't some scene from a sci-fi movie. This is the reality of work, right now. Quietly, in server rooms and on cloud platforms, a radical shift is underway. Major corporations are weaving AI into the very fabric of management. And this goes way beyond automating a few simple tasks. We're talking about high-stakes recommendations: who gets hired, who's considered for a promotion, who gets a bonus, and even who gets flagged for termination. As AI takes on more routine work, its role in hiring is growing. It's already happening. Automated systems are scanning your resume, analyzing your video interview, and scoring your potential against thousands of other candidates. These systems promise a world of efficiency and consistency, free from messy human emotions. They promise to find the perfect candidate, the ideal leader, based on pure, cold data. And the appeal is obvious. Imagine a manager that never gets tired, never has a bad day, and can process 1,000 performance reviews in the time it takes a human to drink their morning coffee. Companies see this as the holy grail of productivity, a logical, unbiased machine making perfect, data-driven choices. There's a dark secret hiding in the code, a ghost in the machine they don't want you to know about. The logic is flawed. The choices are not pure. And the consequences are disastrous. Section 2. The agitation. The fatal flaw in this algorithmic takeover is something called algorithmic bias. It sounds technical, but the idea is simple. AI systems learn from data. And the data they learn from is us, our history of decisions, our behaviors, and our own deeply ingrained biases. An AI doesn't have opinions, but it sure does inherit ours. It's like a student learning from a biased textbook. It doesn't know any better and just parrots the flaws it was taught. The most infamous example of this was Amazon's failed recruiting AI. Starting in 2014, Amazon tried to build the ultimate hiring tool, an engine that could take 100 resumes and spit out the top 5 candidates. To teach it what a good candidate looked like, they fed it 10 years of their own hiring data. The problem? The tech industry has historically been male-dominated, so most of the resumes came from men. The AI learned this lesson perfectly. It taught itself that male candidates were better. It actively penalized resumes that contained the word women's, like captain of the women's chess club, and even downgraded graduates from 2 all-women's colleges. After realizing they couldn't guarantee the machine wouldn't just find new ways to discriminate, Amazon had to scrap the entire project. This wasn't a one-off glitch, it was a mirror reflecting our own prejudices. And this problem is everywhere. AI in the justice system has shown bias against people of color. Healthcare algorithms have made black patients seem healthier than they were, which affects their access to care. And AI systems analyzing video interviews can misinterpret the facial expressions and speech patterns of people from different cultural backgrounds or those with disabilities, leading to unfair rejections. These AI systems aren't intentionally malicious. They are simply amplifying the hidden biases in the data, laundering human prejudice through the clean, cold language of software. The promise of a logical, unbiased manager is a lie. The algorithm is just as flawed as the humans who created it, but with one terrifying difference: it can make biased decisions at an unimaginable scale, affecting thousands of careers in an instant. Section 3. The pivot. So, if AI is influencing major management decisions but can't be trusted to be logical or fair, what does that mean for us? Are we destined to be judged by flawed code? Not at all. In fact, it means the exact opposite. It means our most human skills have never been more critical or more valuable. As AI takes over routine tasks, it's creating a vacuum that only humans can fill. The future isn't about competing with machines, it's about doing what machines can't. Section 4. The solution. While algorithms are busy trying to quantify performance, they are completely blind to the qualities that actually define great leaders and teammates. The skills that make you indispensable in the age of AI are the very skills that can't be programmed. There are three that stand above all others. The first is empathy and emotional intelligence. An algorithm can analyze sales data, but it can't understand the story behind the numbers. It can't tell if a top performer is burning out, or if a team's low morale needs a human touch. Emotional intelligence is about understanding your own emotions and, just as importantly, the emotions of others. It's about building relationships and making decisions that consider human feelings. Where an AI sees a data point, a human leader sees a person. In a world increasingly run by code, the ability to connect and understand is a superpower. The second is complex problem solving and creativity. AI is brilliant at solving problems it has seen before. But when a truly new situation arises, a market shift no one predicted or a unique customer problem, the algorithm freezes. It has no playbook. This is where human creativity thrives. It's the ability to connect unrelated ideas and find innovative solutions when the old ones fail. While an AI can optimize a known process, it takes a human to invent a new one. Studies show that even advanced AI models struggle with tasks that require flexible, real-world understanding and planning, a domain where humans still excel. The third, and maybe most important, skill is ethical judgment. An AI can be programmed to answer, "Can we do this?" It can never ask, "Should we do this?" Ethical judgment requires a deep understanding of values, social context, and the long-term consequences of an action. Many AI systems are black boxes, meaning even their creators don't fully understand how they reach a decision. Relying on them for crucial choices without a human in the loop is a massive risk. We are the ones needed to provide that oversight and ensure decisions are not just profitable, but also fair and responsible. Section 5. Human-AI collaboration. This doesn't mean the future is a battle between humans and machines. In fact, research shows that the best outcomes often come from thoughtful human-AI collaboration. The goal isn't to replace people, but to augment them. Think of it as a partnership. The AI acts as a powerful analyst, processing massive datasets and spotting patterns at a speed no human can match. It handles the data-heavy work, freeing up its human partner to do what they do best. The human in this equation provides the final layer of judgment, context, and ethical oversight. They take the AI's analysis, question its assumptions, consider the real-world nuances the machine can't see, and make the final call. This hybrid approach often leads to more accurate and innovative decisions in fields from medicine to finance. The future of work isn't about being replaced, it's about being amplified. So, yes, your next boss might be an algorithm. It might screen your application, track your performance, and even recommend you for a project. But it can't lead you. It can't inspire your team, solve a problem it has never seen before, or make a decision with wisdom and integrity. If you found this video insightful, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more on how to thrive in the age of AI. And now I want to hear from you. What is your biggest concern or hope about AI in the workplace? Let me know in the comments.